So this is the recap for live stream 314, and we've had a somewhat successful day. We've got the account back above the starting balance. So we started the day. Let's go to where the account was. Started the day 578, 815. 578, 815. So let's talk about the trades. So today had no trades on NQ. As we can see here, no trades over on ES either. Let's see, ES, where's the ES chart? Just right here. No trades on ES, just were no opportunities to get in. Took trades on gold, however. So on gold, price came down, went long. Notice this 250 EMA. Took profits. Price turned around from there, went long. Took profits early rather than allow trade to get up to the 21s. Because I wanted to take profits, pull back, re-enter where I initially entered. Would have moved back up. Well, price went up towards target, so cancel the order. Price came down, set up again long, went long. Had to hold through this pullback. Thought I might be stopped out at one point. Buyers stepped in. Thought this could have been a bear flag. Took profits again at the 250 EMA. And that was it. Didn't allow price to go on further. There was a short over here. Didn't take it. At that point, I was finished trading stocks. That we could see here, that would have went down and hit the... Hold on. That would have went up and hit the stop loss. It would have been a short trade. Would have been up and hit the stop loss. Didn't take it though. What I did do, I decided to trade stocks today and certainly paid a heavy price. So over here, we can see, I think the initial trade here was a long on Tesla. Might have been a mistake. Took profits. There was a loss through there. Had to wait with the consolidation. Yep. Took a loss when went long. Held for the consolidation. Aggressively trailed up and was stopped out on this pullback. Initially, I was looking for price head up towards the 44s, high 44s, but this descending resistance, as is marked out with these lower highs, saw difficulty there, trailed aggressively and was stopped out, which was somewhat fortunate because we've seen prices pull back. Tesla was weak today. I believe it had its own fundamental drivers. So despite the market racing towards all-time highs, we had Tesla continue to be weak. All-time highs on the NQ being around 22,425.75. But Tesla was weak on its own. The other stock I traded was Palantir and had a fair amount of difficulty on Palantir. So went short. I think that might have been a mistake. Just trying to get the sizing right. Had to get out for a loss. Went short again. And eventually was stopped out again for a loss. So wasn't great trading over on Palantir. So these are pretty much the positions taken. It's 24th. You can see early loss there on the Tesla. Loss on Palantir. Picked up a fairly sizable win on gold. Had this Tesla trade here for a small gain. Sizable win on gold. Sizable win on gold. Another loss on Palantir, finally closing the day with a positive gain on Tesla. What I'll do now is have a look at the trade performance. As we can see here on the trade performance, total of 8 trades were taken. 5 winners, 3 losers, accuracy 63%. It's saying the total P&L is around 48,956. That's the total P&L. Over on Tesla, we can see here total losses 1810, total gains 690, overall 1120 losers, 2 winners, 1 loser. That is not correct there. But we can see overall for the total for the P&L is there. On gold, we can see no losing trades, 3 trades, 100% accuracy. That's the total P&L. Average win, so not applicable for average loss, didn't take a loss there. Average win being 18,166. Total P&L there. Down at Palantir, losses. Only took 2 trades on Palantir, 2 losses. Total P&L quite a bit bigger than the Tesla. So just not great trading on the stocks. Not great trading. Was a bit better on the futures, especially on gold. Didn't take trades on NQ and ES, but those are pretty much the straight statistics. So that's it for now. I will come back likely tomorrow and see what opportunities the market presents. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a good day.